dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration. I'm so excited for this collaboration. This is the Chaffle collaboration. In this video, I will link below all of the other channels that have decided to join in. It's an open collaboration. It's very exciting. You're gonna see so many different types of Chaffle recipes from big YouTubers, brand new YouTubers, just everybody. I left it open. You didn't have to have any requirements other than create a Chaffle recipe or show somebody your favorite Chaffle recipe. So that's what it is. Down below you will see a list of everybody's links to their Chaffle videos. Go subscribe, check them out, watch them. Let's have a great time. Without further ado, let's jump into the Chaffle making. Alright, so I'm going to be making a whipped topping for my Chaffle. I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of whatever type of sweetener you would like to use. I'm using pure. And I also put in some of my mint chocolate chip skinny syrup. And I am going to mix this with my blender. So I did go ahead and switch out my attachment with this because it only took a second and my heavy whipping cream was done. Now I can store it in this mason jar and it absolutely tastes like mint, and I'm going to use this on my mint chocolate Chaffle. So first I'm going to take 1 egg. Wow, Instagram. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. We're going to do a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of our sweetener, we're gonna do a tablespoon of our almond flour. Tablespoon of almond flour. Ooh, I'm messy today. We're gonna do a little bit of our mint. Not much, just a little bit of our mint chocolate chip skinny syrup, and 1 ounce of our softened cream cheese. We are going to take our hand mixer, our attachment, and we are going to mix. Woo! And we good. And now we wait. Here it is. This is enough batter to actually make probably about 3 or 4 if you don't overflow it, which I did. Alright guys, so this is the cream cheese chocolate mint chaffle with the homemade chocolate whipped cream on top. Let's give it a try. It's definitely soft and has that cream cheese, not like overbearing, but more like a chocolate cheesecake sort of. I can't get over the whipped cream. That is very good. You could add your own chocolate chips into this if you wanted. This is very good. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the other videos for the Chaffle collab down below and give us a big thumbs up. Let me know below what your favorite chaffle recipe is. Bye guys.